Hello, beautiful ladies, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the most stylish and flattering *** color trends for women over 50 ***. If you've ever stood in front of your wardrobe thinking everything feels too dull or too bold, don't worry. You're not alone. The truth is, color has the power to refresh your style instantly. And when you choose shades that flatter your complexion and mood, you'll look and feel more confident every single day. So let's begin with one of the most powerful hues you can add to your wardrobe. Emerald green, nature's crown jewel. Emerald green is what I like to call a * confidence color *. It's rich, elegant, and timeless. This shade works beautifully for women over 50 because it instantly brightens the complexion without feeling overwhelming. ***. Why it works. ***. Emerald green flatters most skin tones and creates that polished without trying effect. ***. How to style it. ***. Pair an emerald blouse with tailored black trousers for a sleek office look, or wear an emerald knit with beige pants for a softer daytime outfit. ***. Fabric matters. ***. In silk or structured knits, it feels luxurious. Even as a scarf, handbag, or piece of jewelry, emerald adds a refined pop of color. Pro tip. Pair it with neutrals like black, ivory, or gray for classic sophistication. For bolder women, try emerald with burgundy or mustard. It's striking, but still chic. Personally, one of my go-to looks is a tailored emerald green blazer over a simple cream blouse. It's elegant, powerful, and endlessly versatile. Mocha mousse. The new neutral. If black sometimes feels too harsh and gray feels too flat, then mocha mousse is your best friend. This warm, creamy brown is one of the most flattering neutrals for women over 50. Because it's softer than black but still refined and elegant. Why it works. Mocha mousse adds depth without heaviness. It warms up the complexion and gives you that quiet sophistication we all love. How to style it. A mocha sweater with ivory trousers looks effortless for daytime. For a polished evening look, try a mocha wrap coat layered over a monochrome outfit. Best fabrics. Cashmere, suede, or soft rib knits bring out the richness of this shade. Lightweight versions in linen or silk also work beautifully in spring and summer. Pro tip. For a modern twist, pair mocha mousse with soft blush pink or butter yellow. It's unexpected, but incredibly chic. Personally, I love a mocha mousse coat with gold jewelry. It's the kind of piece that instantly makes you feel polished, no matter what's underneath. Sky blue. Serenity and style. If there's one color that feels like a breath of fresh air in your wardrobe, it's sky blue, Light, airy, and endlessly flattering, this shade instantly brightens the complexion and brings a sense of calm elegance to any outfit. Why it works. Unlike darker blues, sky blue softens the face and gives mature skin a natural glow. It's youthful without being childish and refined without being overpowering. How to style it. A sky blue blouse with white trousers is one of my go-to pairings for a clean, polished look. For a more structured outfit, pair a sky blue blazer with navy or charcoal pants. Best fabrics. Flowy materials like chiffon, silk, or soft knits enhance the lightness of this shade, adding graceful movement. Pro tip. Keep accessories subtle. Silver jewelry or nude shoes work beautifully to complement sky blue without competing with it. One of my favorite looks is a sky blue sweater over ivory pants with a delicate silver chain, fresh, modern, and effortlessly chic. Butter yellow, radiant warmth. If you've ever wanted to add sunshine to your wardrobe without going too bold, butter yellow, is your perfect choice. Unlike bright neon yellows that can feel harsh, this soft, creamy shade brings warmth, light, and refinement to any look. Asterisk, asterisk. Why it works, butter yellow flatters mature skin tones by adding a subtle glow. It feels uplifting and cheerful, yet still polished and age-appropriate. Asterisk, how to style it, pair a butter yellow blouse with beige trousers for a fresh daytime outfit, or layer a butter yellow blazer over a monochromatic cream look for instant sophistication. Asterisk, best pairings, this color blends beautifully with blush pink, soft lavender, and warm neutrals. Gold jewelry enhances its glow, while tan or nude footwear keeps the look cohesive. Asterisk, pro tip. Asterisk, if you're new to the shade, start small with a butter yellow scarf, handbag, or even a pair of earrings. It's an easy way to bring vibrancy without stepping outside your comfort zone. One of my favorite outfits? A butter yellow knit top with tailored white pants and delicate gold hoops. It's radiant, refined, and undeniably chic. True red timeless confidence. Every woman deserves a asterisk power color, and nothing delivers like true red bold yet classic. It's the shade that never goes out of style and instantly makes you look polished, confident, and unforgettable. Why it works. True red energizes your look, lifts your complexion, and commands attention in the best possible way. Unlike burgundy or softer pinks, it strikes the perfect balance between vibrant and elegant. How to style it. A true red dress is a timeless statement piece, perfect for dinner parties or special occasions. For everyday wear, try a red blouse with black trousers or a cozy red sweater with dark denim. Best pairings, keep it simple with neutrals like black, white, or gray for sophistication. For a daring twist, red pairs beautifully with navy or even leopard print accents. Pro tip. If wearing a full red outfit feels too bold, try accessories. A red handbag, red flats, or even a red lipstick can transform your look in seconds. One of my favorite looks? A tailored red coat over an all-black ensemble. Striking, chic, and guaranteed to turn heads. Powder pink, subtle, sophistication. When you want a touch of softness without losing polish, powder, pink is the perfect choice. This muted, elegant shade feels feminine yet refined, making it a timeless color for women over 50. Why it works. Unlike bright pinks, powder pink flatters mature skin tones by adding warmth without overwhelming. It creates a graceful, modern look that feels chic rather than girlish. How to style it. A powder pink blouse with beige or ivory pants is an effortless daytime outfit. For a more elevated approach, a powder pink blazer layered over a gray dress looks striking and sophisticated. Best pairings, pair it with white or soft neutrals for an airy look, or contrast it with navy or charcoal for a bold yet balanced effect. Pro tip, powder pink outerwear, like a trench coat or wrap coat, is an easy way to make your everyday style feel elevated and fresh. One of my personal favorites? A silk powder pink blouse tucked into tailored beige trousers with pearl earrings. Understated, graceful, and endlessly elegant. Closing. Elevate your style with color, ladies. There you have it. 6 stunning color trends that prove elegance has no age limit. From the richness of asterisk, emerald green asterisk, to the quiet grace of asterisk, powder pink asterisk. These shades aren't just about fashion, they're about how you feel when you wear them. Confident, fresh, vibrant. Remember, style after 50 isn't about chasing trends. It's about curating colors and pieces that flatter your body, uplift your spirit, and reflect the incredible woman you are today. Whether you start with a bold red coat, a butter yellow scarf, or simply add a touch of sky blue to your wardrobe, each of these hues has the power to refresh your look and keep you feeling modern and chic. If this video inspired you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with a friend who deserves a little style inspiration. And as always, let me know in the comments which color you're most excited to try this season.